Hi everyone! Do you also want to create product advertisement posts using Canva, and that too for free? Then let's get started. Open your Canva and search YouTube thumbnail, then open a blank page. Choose the background color you like the most. Go to Element and search Light. Now adjust it on the background, then duplicate it and again adjust it on the background. Adjust its color, then duplicate it and adjust the color again, just like I'm doing. Go to Upload and upload your product picture. Now remove the picture background. Go to Element and search Perfume Supreme. I hope you liked the video. These were the final results. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Easy Creator Hub.